Hey everybody, it's Chawn with Kinda Obsessed, and I am so excited to share that I finally got a few pieces from the Jenee X Future Collective collection from Target. And I'm so excited because I went the very first day that it dropped, that Sunday morning. I went to Target and nothing. There was nothing out. So I went back a couple weeks later and it was all picked through, so I really didn't get anything that time. So I went back again and your girl has scored a couple pieces that I'm really excited about. Actually, I'm obsessed over. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them out. Really these days I'm looking for pieces that I can wear to work. So I got these gorgeous pants. The straight leg pant with the zipper on the side. And they are running, I think she mentioned that they are running a little long, so I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna keep them long and wear them with heels or get them altered. But these are the pants. The quality is superior. And I got a size 6, the high-rise straight leg pants. So beautiful. And I'm gonna pop them on in a second. Future Collective. Congratulations, Jenee. I'm so excited for you. This skirt is gorgeous. It has the buttons. And look at the details. Like the shell. Little details on the button. Absolutely gorgeous. And I did get a size 8 because it's kind of sort of like a drop waist skirt. So cute. And it comes with a belt. So this is something, like I said, I'm looking for pieces now that I can incorporate into my workday wardrobe, things that I can wear, just something cute and easy and simple pieces that I can wear for summer. And I picked up another little top. I don't know if I'm gonna wear this with these items. Well, actually I am gonna wear it. So I got this top. It's not part of Jenee's collection, but I bought this to wear with the pants. It's gonna be super cute. I'm gonna try these on as well. And so let's get into it. Also, I have a couple things from Zara. This crochet top is so cute. I love bright colors in summer. And the tag is still on there. So actually, I didn't get this this year. I got this last year, but it's so hot. So I said, let me throw this on. So I just threw this cute little crochet top on. It has the ties on each side. Super cute. And then I also got, so I got this dress, the cream with the black, super chic, super cute and elegant. It's gonna be a great, easy piece to wear this summer for work. I got this, I forgot what the name of this dress is, but it's real cute. Another cream, just something that's real fresh and chic for summer. And then I got these derby sneakers. I'm going for this like Euro fashion look. Uh-oh, what's going on? Okay, here we go. These derby sneakers. And then I'm gonna pair it with, I bought these socks from Forever 21, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear it with the socks because it looked a little elementary to me when I wore it. It looked good on the model, but we'll see if I can pull the look off. So I have my little Euro look going, and then also I have just a couple tops to wear. Like this top, either one of these tops I can wear. Look how cute. And when I tell you this fabric is so soft, oh my gosh. I got this in a size medium. Just real chic, real cute. I'm obsessed. Real cute. And then I also have the cream color as well. Because I'm in a cream era.
This shirt
right
is
now.
white, not cream.
I'm obsessed with cream. I'm loving it. Super clean and chic and refreshing for summer. And so yeah, that's what I got and I'm gonna try it on. So I'll be right back. Okay, up first, the straight leg, the high-waisted straight leg pants. Super gorgeous, chic for summer, but I think I'm gonna need to get them hemmed because they're a little long. And I paired it with this cute top from Target. This is like great for cocktails. Just going out on the town, maybe for dinner. I need to tighten them, but I didn't tighten them right now, but this is adjustable and can be tightened. The pants, like I was saying, it's a little long, even with this heel. So I think I'm gonna need to get them taken in a little bit. I know long pants are in, but I feel like just a tad, just so they're not on the ground. They need to be brought up a little bit. But these are great. The price point is great, of course. $36, I mean, you can't beat that. Come on, Jenee. Girl, you did that. So yeah, these are gorgeous. It has pockets. I believe these are pockets that I need to cut. Hopefully they are. But yeah, it looks like there's pockets in the back. It has the side zip. Super cute and elegant. Yeah, Jenee, come through. Next, I have this beautiful, like cotton blend skirt, I guess. I'm not sure what it's made of, but the fabrics, all the fabrics are A1, top quality. And the belt, and it's just too cute. This is cute, just something to, you want to just run to the grocery store, do a little shopping, you know. Actually, I might wear this to work. The belt loops, so, I mean, you can tell that all these pieces were very well thought out. The fabrics are top quality, has the pockets, the button detail on the pockets. I mean, and like I said, for the price point, absolutely excellent. Jenee, you really did an excellent job with this. Alright, so I got this cute top from Zara. Actually, this top is navy. I thought it was black, but it's a real dark navy. Down the side and around the arm, and the neck is so cute. Cute with jeans or a skirt. And it's just, the fabric is so soft. I mean, this quality is excellent. So yeah, I got this one. All right, here's the cream color. I just throw on a little sunny to go with it. I got these out of the mall from the kiosk. Don't underestimate the sunglasses from the mall kiosk. They're so cute. Something cute and fresh for summer. Again, piping. This time, this is navy. So this one has navy piping around the arms and the neck. Y'all growing my hair, so ignore me. I don't know what it looks like back there. I've been wearing a ponytail, so I took it out. And so this is what we're working with today. Hopefully I'm looking cute. Why is this thing... Why is my camera out of focus? This never done this before. Oh, this is a new setting. Yo, turn this off. Oh man. I really hope they still have this dress because I really like it. It's a lightweight knit. But this is not acceptable. I mean, come on. This is ridiculous. Why would this be looking like this? This is upsetting. I'm beyond upset. I mean, this dress had so much potential. They just slapped this together. Y'all, this is ridiculous. So stay tuned. I'll stay tuned. Hopefully, I'm not sure if I'm gonna exchange it because I ordered it online, so I don't even think they have it in store. So I'd have to return it and try and get another one, or just, well, exchange it and try to get another one, or just return it, because you know how fast things sell at Zara, so it may not even be available, because honestly I've had this for about 3 weeks now. So. And sure enough, the dress is sold out, so I'm gonna have to take it to the cleaners. This makes me so sad. All right, enough of my rant. Zara is tripping. This is upsetting. I mean, Zara, why would you send this out like this? So no one looked at it? You mean to tell me they just grabbed it and just threw it side? So it's not like it's, you know, inside out. This is the right side. It's all messed up. But anyways, I'm upset about this. Zara is really tripping. Okay, here's the next dress. I think it's called like an athletic dress. It has the collar, pockets in the front. Hopefully these are real pockets. I hate fake pockets. I think these are fake pockets. But the fake pockets in the front. And yes, that's shade. I hate fake pockets. And I'm wearing the little derby sneakers, the way the model wore it. And I know I ordered a 7.5, and they sent me an 8, which, so they're a little bit big. This is not my size. Y'all, I told you Zara was tripping. Zara is tripping. I don't know what's going on with them. Hold on, stop the music. Now I know good and well I didn't order an 8. But I have an 8, so I'm just gonna keep them. But I think this is cute. Let me try them on with the socks. So I got these socks from Forever 21 because the model is wearing this outfit. I thought it was really cute. It's just giving a real Euro vibe. If I wear this to work, I'm gonna wear tights. But I was really liking that vibe, so I said, let me go ahead and try it. I bought these cute socks from Forever 21, and then I bought another, some ribbed socks from J. Crew that's a little bit longer, but I could kind of like scrunch them down because I wasn't sure how this would translate. I think I like it. I could see me at a Parisian cafe with my little socks, sipping a little mimosa or what's those? A Saint Germain. Anyways, that's the haul. This is my mini haul. And stay to the end to watch my photo shoot with Jenee's collection. I'll have to keep you posted on what happens with Zara. I mean, I honestly don't know what. I'm just at a loss of words for that. But anyways, thank you for watching, and yeah. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will be coming back at you with more videos. So see you next time.